are we really happy? If you observe, you just ask one question to people: are you happy? If you observe, people start thinking, am I really happy? But whatever we are doing is because of happiness. And happiness is related to our mind. It is not something like we can acquire from outside. Whatever we are achieving is temporary. Whatever happiness, जो भी हमें खुशी देता है, जो बाहरी सुख है, वो बहुत क्षणिक है. बट जो हमारा मन है, हमारी जो अंतर की आत्मा है, वो एक स्थिर खुशी चाहती है. That want a constant happiness. बट वो मिलती तो नहीं है. तो उसके लिए क्या किया जाए? For that we need to understand our mind. हमारा मन. If you observe the whole knowledge, ग्रंथों का ज्ञान भी वही है, मन जीते जग जीत. पर वो मन को जीता कैसे जाए, वो मन को समझा कैसे जाए? Here we need to learn about our mind, जिसके बारे में हम ध्यान ही नहीं देते. तो unfortunately, neither in our home, neither in our school nor in our society, nobody taught us about our mind, how to handle emotions, how to handle our feelings. Everybody is advising कि ये गुस्सा मत करो, लालच मत करो, द्वेष मत करो. बट कोई ये नहीं सिखाता जब गुस्सा आ रहा है तो क्या करें. Here we need to learn. If you observe, whenever you are angry, your breath changes. Your breath becomes fast. When you are sad, your breath becomes heavier. And when you are happy, your breath is lighter and longer. So every emotion, whether it is positive or negative, it is related to our breath. Breath is directly connected to the mind. And without breath, body cannot survive. So breath is a bridge between body and mind. But on the level of mind, it becomes very difficult to handle mind. Just an example, जब आपको कई बार गुस्सा आ रहा होता है तो आप उस गुस्से को रोकने की बहुत चेष्टा करते हो. क्या वो रुकता है या और बढ़ जाता है? It becomes more persistent. Whatever we resist, it becomes more persistent. So how we can handle our mind? That we can handle with the help of our breath. But unfortunately, we are not aware about the breath. We least bother about our breath. So अपने सांस को देखने से ही मन स्थिर होना शुरू हो जाता है. But हो क्या रहा है? Because of our lifestyle, because of our food habits, because of our external circumstances, हमारा breathing pattern disturb हो चुका है. If you observe, we became more restless, more aggressive. But मन को if you really want to master your mind, if you really want to excel your mind, your thoughts, your emotions, we need to work on our breath. And in Art of Living, there is a very, very beautiful technique. The world's most effective technique is called Sudarshan Kriya. It is the technique is a very beautiful combination of pranayam with the combination of breath. It leads you to deep meditation. And a few minutes of techniques, you feel so energetic, so happy. नहीं तो क्या हो रहा है, हमारा जो मन है, हमारा जो माइंड है, वो पास्ट या फ्यूचर में ही घूमता रहता है. Most of our day we are spending either in complaints, either in blames. जब हमारा माइंड पास्ट में जाता है, we feel most of the time angry and guilt. Sometimes we feel sad, sometimes we feel happy. But when mind is in future, then we start worrying. Insecurities come, restlessness comes. So how to bring your mind into present moment. Here we need to learn something. Our breath is all the time in present. All the time our breath is in present moment. So when you start observing your breath, you can easily come into present. But वो होता नहीं है. Why? Because of our lifestyle, because of our wrong habits, हमने अपना ब्रीदिंग पैटर्न डिस्टर्ब कर लिया है. इसीलिए उस पैटर्न को, उस ब्रीदिंग रिथम को नेचुरली लेके आने में हमें कुछ एफर्ट करना पड़ेगा. एंड उसके लिए सुदर्शन क्रिया इज द बेस्ट एंड इजीएस्ट टेक्निक इज अवेलेबल. अब देखिए, हर चीज में एक रिदम है. इफ यू ऑब्जर्व, देयर इज अ रिदम इन सीजन्स, देयर इज रिदम इन म्यूजिक, देयर इज रिदम इन आवर हार्ट बीट एज वेल. थोड़ा सा वो रिदम ऊपर नीचे हो जाता है, हमारा हेल्थ खराब हो जाता है. सेम देयर इज अ रिदम इन आवर ब्रेथ, एंड डेफिनेटली देयर इज अ रिदम इन इमोशंस, इन थॉट्स. तो उसके लिए तो हम ध्यान देते ही नहीं. तो व्हेन यू स्टार्ट डूइंग सुदर्शन क्रिया, मेडिटेशन, सुदर्शन क्रिया आपका जो नेचुरल रिदम है, जिस रिदम के साथ आप बॉर्न हुए थे, जिस ब्रीदिंग रिदम के साथ आप बॉर्न हुए थे, उसी को इंक्लाइंड कर देता है. सो these days it is very easily available. Now you can learn as well online. So we have centers all over the world. In India, every district, every state, we have centers. So I definitely suggest you, if you really want to make your life more happy, more healthy, come to us. We will teach you a very, very beautiful technique in our Art of Living programs, Sudarshan Kriya. Thank you.